Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be trying out some skincare from Sand and Sky. I just really believe that when you look good, you feel good. That's part of my mission of spreading activewear out into the world, all my favorite things. And so I've really become obsessed with skincare as well, because when I'm taking care of my body and I'm putting on a cute outfit, obviously you need the skin to complement that, right? I have mentioned, like, I do have some wrinkles, like fine lines that are starting to appear. I'm not getting any younger, but I know that if I use the right products, it's really going to help with that. So I actually have these two items from Sand and Sky here. So this is the Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. When I heard about that, it says glow and plump. I was like, okay, that is what I need for this guy. So I'm really hopeful that if I do a super moisturizing mask every so often as like a specialty kind of a treatment, that will really help with those fine lines that I'm dealing with. It says, beat the dull and bring on the bounce. Our Australian glowberries include emu apple, known to be rich in antioxidants, plus kakadu plum, considered to be one of the richest sources of vitamin C to help revitalize skin. Our unique blend of 5 types of hyaluronic acid help hydrate skin and make it appear plump with moisture. So that really got me. I was like, I need this because that is exactly what I need. I need that like plumping action. And then this set came with Australian Emu Apple Dreamy Glow Drops. So these say brighten and hydrate, and that was also very appealing to me. It says get an epic glow with this potent bi-phase serum. So it has a water phase, again, that 5 types of hyaluronic acid, and then an oil phase, so you actually shake it up. I'm so excited for these. I'm really developing a skincare regimen, and I like the idea of having some kind of like specialty products to throw in the mix, really bump up that hydration. So let us start first with the Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. I just took a shower, I washed my face, I'm super ready for this, I can't wait. Also, before I dive in, look how cute the packaging is. Like, this is so adorable. I'm such a beachy girl. I actually grew up, my town that I grew up in had the beach, and I miss it so much every time summer comes around. Okay, so you open it up, it's got this cute little ribbon. Oh my gosh. And then it comes up here. That is adorable. Okay. It does come with this little Super Bounce Mask booklet. And then it also comes with a spreader. So I'm a big fan of having a little tool to put it on with. I also like that it's an opaque container because I feel like that helps the ingredients. Like when it's see-through and the light can penetrate, I feel like that's bad with skincare because sometimes that causes the sunlight to mess with the ingredients. So pretty much it just says to spread a thick layer on clean skin, avoiding the eye area, let the mask sink in for 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. So I'm so excited. Let's do this. We're opening it up. It has this little thing to kind of keep it sealed. Ooh, okay. It's like a little pudding in there. Actually, I eat blueberry yogurt sometimes. Like every morning I've been having a Greek yogurt before the gym, and it literally looks like the blueberry yogurt. Oh my God. It's so funny. It's like jiggly. I'm gonna try to get like a full serving of it. So hopefully I won't have to dip back in. Oh my God. I didn't expect it to be this consistency. Oh no. Okay. All right. It literally feels like my Greek yogurt, like not in a bad way. It's just funny. All right, the main thing, we gotta get that guy. We gotta get him. because it's my forehead, and like, I'm not against you getting Botox, but I don't want to get Botox for myself. I don't want to inject that. Maybe if it's like a safe alternative where it's like water filler. But I also, if I've gotten addicted to getting eyelashes, I know I would just get addicted to something like that. Like, I can't see myself without eyelashes now. Oh, let's get her on the mouth too. The mouth is like another spot. Here it is. The consistency is not what I was expecting, but it's really cool and refreshing right now. It feels really good, so we'll let it sit for 10 minutes. It's been just about 10 minutes. You can see it's gotten a little bit more translucent in some areas, like you can't really see where I put it on here. So I'm gonna go rinse off and we'll see how it looks. We're back. It was pretty easy to rinse off. I just used like a washcloth and some warm water. I do feel like my skin feels plumper. Let's go in now with these Australian Emu Apple drops. So this is the Emu Apple Glowing Skin Kit if you're interested. I will definitely have it linked down below, and you can get 10% off with code JessK. Let's check this out. I'm supposed to be using 4 drops. So I'm just gonna, ooh, it's drippier than I thought, but maybe you should do it into your hand. Oh, that's so nice and light. I thought it was gonna feel oily, but it really doesn't. It's like oil and water in there. Yeah. In terms of a scent, if you're sensitive to scents, you might notice there is definitely a scent. If you're not someone that's sensitive to scents, I don't think it would bother you at all. It's very, very light. To the point, like when I went to use this, I didn't even like think about it. There's definitely kind of like a berry scent to it a little bit on the mask. And then these do have some different essential oils in them, but it's not super strong. Drops do have grapefruit, orange, there's jojoba, which is a moisturizer, rosemary. So you will notice a scent in these, but it's also, again, really not strong, very, very light. I just feel really fresh. Like the mask really did feel hydrating, plumping. My skin feels super fresh. I'm really excited for this. It feels really good. I'm just trying to feel my best, and sometimes that's through a cute outfit. Sometimes it's like eating a healthy meal. Sometimes it's exercising, and sometimes it's skincare. So thank you to Sand and Sky for sending these items my way. I really love testing them out, and I'm excited to implement them in my skincare routine. I can definitely see myself using this hydrating mask as part of a special treatment, especially on like a self-care Sunday, something like that, just to pamper myself. Like I said, when you look good, you feel good, and definitely incorporating skincare makes me feel really good. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you use that code JessK if you're interested. I will definitely have this kit linked below for you, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.